Ever felt the panic of a phone that won't turn on? Or the frustration of a screen shattered by a single drop? Our mobile phones are our lifelines, but even the toughest gadgets have their limits. When your phone's battery drains faster than usual, it might be time for a replacement. Always buy a battery specifically designed for your phone model to avoid compatibility issues. Remember, OEM batteries are the safest choice for your device. Replacing a battery is simple. Just slide off the back cover and swap the old battery with the new one. Charge the new battery fully before using it to ensure optimal performance. A cracked screen can be heartbreaking, but it's fixable with the right replacement screen. Make sure to get the exact screen model for your phone to avoid any fitting issues. Carefully remove the back panel and disconnect the motherboard to access the screen. Reconnect the new screen, ensuring all parts are firmly in place to avoid any rattling. If your phone isn't charging, first check the battery and then the charger. Using a charger with the correct ampere rating is crucial to prevent battery damage. A defective motherboard can cause multiple issues, but replacing it can bring your phone back to life. Ensure you purchase the exact motherboard model to avoid compatibility problems. Carefully disconnect and replace the motherboard, ensuring all connections are secure. Water damage can seem catastrophic, but quick action can save your phone. Place your phone in a bag of uncooked rice to absorb moisture and dry it out. Avoid turning on a water-damaged phone immediately to prevent short circuits. If your phone fell into liquids other than water, seek professional help immediately.